Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut. Mix equal parts flour and water to form a thick batter, cover loosely, and leave at room temperature to start fermentation. Keep a simple feeding schedule, record times, and note activity like bubbles or scent. I will guide you through troubleshooting, adjusting hydration, and timing so you can build a reliable starter and make consistent, flavorful sauerkraut every time. Gather unbleached flour, filtered water, a digital scale, and a clear jar with a breathable cover to monitor activity. Measure by weight for repeatable results and aim for consistent room temperature during early feeds. Use a spoon for stirring and a small bowl for discards to keep things tidy. I will explain ratios, how to adjust hydration, and the role of temperature so you can confidently nurture your starter. Feed your starter on a predictable schedule and watch for doubling or bubbling as signs of readiness. If your kitchen is warm, feed every 12 hours. Cooler kitchens may need 24 hours. Keep a discard routine to remove excess and maintain balance, and use nearby signs like rise and fall rather than strict hours alone. I will also cover how to adapt feeds for different flour types and hydration percentages.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.